Alright, let's get this cooking. Maybe this music's a bit too loud. Let's see if Santa Hus can get some positions here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, gang. What's up, Josh? What's up, Victory Settings? I see you first. Ginger, Captain, Harman, Obedio, my guy. Tyron, what's up? Aram, what's up, man? Rafal, what's up? Jordy, let's go. MX Station, what's good, bro? Good morning. 10 pips FXW, big dubs. Hey! Donvo in the building! Bro, Don, you don't have to do that, man. Don't worry about it. I'm sending that back. I appreciate you, bro. How does he keep getting away with this? Everyone put a big W for Don in the chat. He's streaming New York session today. But you can't wait. Crowley W, what's up? Jack, let's go. Nude Holes, what's up? What's good, everyone? Yeah, Don, bro. Bro, get some sleep, bro. Get some sleep, bro. Because if there's another drawdown today, you're gonna need your eyelids open like this. Everyone, big up Don, 45 win streak or something like that. Crazy. He's got a bigger win streak than we have on Dawdle. Do you know how mad that is? Someone said, go to sleep, I need you, I need you. What's up, Ben? How you doing? Ben sent me a message the other day. He said that he managed to take his funded from minus 6% drawdown back up to like profit. And then I was like, mate, that's probably one of the best skills that you can learn in trading, is taking account through a drawdown period by doing the same thing again and again and taking it to profit. So big dubs. Alright, cool. Let's lock this in. Don, again, I appreciate you, bro. I'm sending that back. I'm buying you another gift with that. Alright, anyways, cool. So, what's up, Schmeets? Right, so, monthly candle, as we can see, look, we spoke about this how many times on stream now. We can see that it is bearish. It is bearish. Let me get these zoom annotations out. Alright. Let's look it in. I don't know why I'm a bit excited. I think we're gonna get some trades today. Alright, cool. So Tuesday, I mean, sorry, my bad. I've already forgot the day. Brilliant start. Where's the pen? Where's this thing, man? Alright, here we go. Perfect. So you can see, obviously, the monthly's coming back into this range. I think if by the weekly closing showing that we're bearish, so to be honest, if it leads to this monthly closing bearish, that in this range again, then it's the same story as kind of the weekly. So we'll probably be bearish for the rest of the year. It would be nice to actually take my first swing position if we came up here. See what news does later, but we'll see. Right, weekly candle. The weekly candle has closed bearish. The previous weekly candle closed bearish, like we spoke about again and again, right? We closed bearish back into this range. What happened every time when we closed back into this range after grabbing some liquidity? We came down here, down there, right? Before we had any real problems, we came at least to here. So I still see us coming down more. The weekly candle right now doesn't have an amazing top wick, but we have broken the previous candle weekly low. But as you can see, if we look into it more, we are kind of approaching these areas where wicks have rejected in the past. So maybe it might cause some issues in this range, which will be important to see, and that's where we can tell on the lower time frame. But news later will be important because it can break you out of certain ranges and really give a direction. That news is at 1:30 PM my time, so that'll be New York session where Don Vo streams. So that'll be in his session. And yeah, the daily candle, right? This is what we're going to do about the daily. The daily's bearish, right? So yeah, we could see the daily candle, previous candle is bearish, but let's actually look into this. Let's not just go, oh, bearish candle, yep, red candle, yep, bearish for the day, cool. Nah, we're going to analyze it. If we draw a zone right here, look how strong that zone is. Support, resistance, 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 support, support, resistance. Now, what can you see that this daily candle did? Closed, respecting this zone. Which means is, yes, we are bearish technically. Obviously, we are, you know, this candle is bearish, but we closed respecting the zone. Now we can look at what happened when we closed respecting the zone before. What happened is we made a bottom wick and then we came up to tap these levels, right? So that is a potential. Maybe news might push it up to those levels, we don't know. But because of this, I'm going to look for range to both ways. If this candle closed below this zone, then it would have indicated to me like okay, we're hella bearish. I'm going to look for range 1 sells, range 2 buys. But because we close respecting the zone, I am going to just go for range 2 both ways. Now, so if we go down to the 4 hour, we can see it's bullish. We broke the previous high. So, and if we look at the 1 hour, we can see that we've kind of got like this range hasn't made a support yet. So we've got technically this range and then maybe this range like that. So got a range like that. And then for buys, this is Monday. This is another resistance. So yeah, buys can probably be here. If we look left, we can put it up here. So there we go. Now let's drop down to the 30-minute. That looks good for buys, range 2, and yeah, that'll look good for now. We're going to put the sells here for now. We may adjust them as price moves. So 30-minute, we're just going to put a zone here, even though we're not trading in that. We're just going to dissect it so it looks nice and we can see, you know. Good morning, George, how you doing? So yeah, so we look left. Let's tighten up this zone. We can see here is probably the best because every time we closed above, what happened? We closed above, came up here, closed above, came up there, closed above, came up there. So good zone that is. We're gonna keep our buys there. Let's see if it lines up with the, yep, it lines up amazingly with these wicks. That means it's a strong area, right? If you do your zone and then you put it back to most recent and you see price is rejecting or behaving a certain way at these zones, that indicates that it's a good zone. You know, it's a good zone right there. So yeah, this is going to be interesting, very interesting today to see how it all plays out. Will this 4 hour continue to come down, or will we stay here? Cool. Yeah, that's it. That's what we are looking for on gold today. We are going to look for the range. Potential sells will actually be here, to be honest, right there. These are potentials. I'm going to delete this one for now. Let me look left. Let's look left. Always look left. Right, see, that's why you always look left. And then does that line up? Yeah, it's alright. It's not amazing, but it's okay. Advantage point, yeah, we'll see. Cool. That's it. That's what we're looking for gold today. Dissected the ranges, took it down, and here we are. Is Donvo awake? I'm not sure with this guy, man. Some days he's awake all day. Salam Sicario, how you doing? Yeah, amazing. GJ, let's do a little speed run, GJ. Where are you based? I'm based in England, UK, near London. Cool. So, man don't sleep, I bet he's on Modern Warfare, yeah. Defo. He didn't reach the 20 kills the other day, so he's grinding out. Cool. So daily we can see it's the same story, right? We are bullish, but where did we close? Okay. Did we close above this overall zone? No. So you'd be looking for range 2 both ways. Now 4 hour is bearish. Damn. Okay. Is this all? This is all Tuesday. So in Tuesday you got one range here, right? That's one range. So we can't be taking buys or sells below this range. But if we look at the next range, on the 30, you can. So this is going to be one range for me. If we're looking for buys of both range, this, like, I don't really like the price action here. Like, look at how many resistances. Buys are going to be a bit chalked on GJ, to be honest. Maybe above there. And then we'll dissect these zones in a second, but let's. Okay, this is a good zone. So daily bias is technically bullish, but we close respecting, right? So now this 4 hours coming down, but overall structure is still bullish. So I wouldn't take a sell here. This sells a bit better, and then the buys. Potentially it can be up here, but if not, then it's gonna have to be up here. Something like that we'll be looking for a GJ. Speed run. Cool. Back to gold. There were 2 plot twists in the past 3 days. Yeah, man. But if you know Don, if you've been following Don, I've been following Don for like 2 years. He pulls plot twists every day, man. He just does it. He's that guy, bro. His stop is always in the. It's like the thing is, when you take a trade that Don trades, right? If you're gonna take his entry, make sure you use his stop loss, because he knows what he's doing, bro. He puts his stop loss in the right spot, where if his stop loss gets hit, that means the whole trade is invalid, and that's literally fine. So that's why he puts his stop there. He's not putting his stop there for no reason, you know? So that's why a lot of times you might see the price come and you can draw down and then it almost hits a stop, but it doesn't, because his stop is at a level on the past where history price rejected from and this and that. So it doesn't end up hitting it, and what happens is that's the liquidity, and then it comes straight back up, and then you go back into profit. So that is why when you take even my position or Don's position or Yenna's position, like if you're going to take it, take full accountability yourself once you press that button on MT5. And also, if you're gonna use if you're not doing your own analysis and you're just copying someone's trade, then you gotta use the same stops as well, because it's not there for no reason. Stops are not based on, you shouldn't place your stops based on, I'm going to put it based on here, because if it hits here, I lose this much money. Nah, you should base your stops on, I'm going to place it here, because if it hits here, my trade is invalid. That's how you do your stops. So that's a bit of a stops game. Let me go on Discord. If you got your setup on the 4 hour time frame, do you take your entry in the 4 time frame or the lower time frame? So for example, if this candle, say if I was gonna enter the break of the highs again, I would use I enter and I use everything on the same time frame. So say for example, if I'm entering on the 4 hour time frame, I'm going to use 4 hour stops, so I can enter on the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, it's literally fine. But if I see it setting up on the 1 hour and the 30 minute, I'll just take those, because you know I can have a little bit tighter stops and stuff. But I normally take 30 minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. They're the ones I take the most. Then the one after that is maybe 4 hour time frame. Sometimes maybe once a month I really get a 4 hour time frame trade, but mainly I get 1 hour and 30 minutes. I don't really do 15 anymore either, because of something I've sample sized a lot. He actually got stopped out because it never changed from his first around, but oh well, should have stayed at the PC, not gone in the sauna. Yeah. Can't go wrong with a good sauna though. Where are you from, Huss? England, UK. What do you mean originally? The idea of it always has to bounce back. Plot armor, main character. He's got the anime plot armor, bro. Oh, you got the pineapple. Damn, bro. That pineapple was a 1 to 6 RR. You're RR monster now. If you caught that pineapple. That's funny, man. Price is going to be interesting because we broke the highs, but if we come and close bearish again below here, then technically it's a fake on the 4 hour. And then, yeah, obviously we are technically bearish for the day, but we close respecting here, and we could potentially make this bottom wick first, which I see happening. So yeah, very interesting day today. Good morning. Good morning, Michael. How's everyone doing? What's up, Spectral man? How you doing? Everyone do Captain, do exclamation mark Captain in the chat. Oh, hopefully it works. Does it work? I think there's a cooldown on it though, like 20 seconds. Yeah, I added 2 because people keep asking me about what broker I use as well for personal accounts. So I added exclamation mark broker for IC markets, regulated broker. WCAP. Yep. I think I am missing one DV stream. After Wix, who's next? After Wix, then I think Kieran is next, but he's pre-London. And then, I don't think he takes trades, I think he does analysis. But Kieran's next, and then it's Yanez. Yanez takes trades and does analysis. And then me, and then Don, and then Elvis. Elvis does analysis, doesn't take trades either. And then it's Wix again. Do you use raw spread or standard account for IC? I use raw spread, bro, because the way that we trade, the raw spread account makes the most sense, for sure, because of the conditions. It's very, very low spreads. That's the difference between the raw spread account and the standard account. How was my New York session yesterday? Oh yeah, I caught a dub on GJ yesterday. I think I put it on my Instagram. Yeah, because remember we analyzed yesterday, chat. I remember I literally analyzed. I was like, sales are not the move today. Buys are the move. And then we got these buys on GJ right here. So I got breakout. This was on the 1 hour actually. I know I screenshot on the 30, but that was just to show both positions. So it was on the 1 hour. It was a break of the high, and then it closed above another zone, and then again made a bottom wick and did a break of the high again. So that was the positions that we caught yesterday, pretty much. Which is a little GJ. Yeah, GJ's been treating me recently. Why are spreads so big at market open? I think it's just because of the volatility, because obviously the market's closed over the rollover thing, and then it opens, and all the orders that people have set, like buy limits, sell limits, this, that, everything is just comes all at once, and then the spreads are so high, and then the markets need to, the brokers need to judge the ask price and bid price and all that stuff. But I'm not a financial advisor. I don't really understand that's my understanding of it, you know. I'm not a guru at brokers and slippages and stuff. All I know is I use, for my personal account, IC markets, raw spread account, and they're regulated, so I feel a bit safer with my money. And then for prop firms, I just do prop firms and, trade them try and get money from. I heard a lot of people asking me yesterday for like, do I sell a course or do I sell a mentorship? But the thing is, right, I don't believe anyone should be selling anything if you're not, what do you call it? You're not showing results to people. I know it's not good. You don't have to show your bank account details. You don't have to flip and show your balance or anything. But you gotta show results. This Exhibit A, Don Vo, been showing results for 2 years, however long, even more probably, on live streams, right? Taking all the trades in front of you, show it. Like, you can't say anything because you can go back on the streams and see the trades he took, and you can see he knows how to trade. That's a bit of results, yeah. And another thing is Don's clear about anyone, to be honest. He makes bread. We all know that. Now, another person is like Yanez, takes trades on stream. He shows you results, you know. He stays disciplined. He doesn't like he doesn't flake, you know. He won't say something, oh, I'm being disciplined here, chat, and then just randomly take a position. Like, so he's proving that he's showing results, so he has every right to, and he provides value. For me, even though I literally have the results right now, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to build up a big fat catalog of receipts. I've got payouts right now. Obviously, there's certificates and this and that. I've got funded documentaries on my YouTube channel where I took all the trades and I showed every trade and the dashboard and everything. So I'm trying to build up a big catalog of receipts and everything. So then when I do end up monetizing the skill, it comes with a, what do you call it? That credibility, you know? Credibility. You can't be listening to these Forex fake people that online. Like, I've seen so many times that I go on TikTok and I see some guy say, oh yeah, this analysis on NAS and this analysis on US30, we're gonna catch 1 to 8. But show something then, bro. The thing is, it's like, if you can, it's all fun and games revising something, like watching a video on how to fix a car, but when the car's in front of you, can you fix it? You know, that's just an example. It's all fun and games watching a footballer play a game, like watching Ronaldo do some skills, but can you go and do the same thing as him? Absolutely not. You have to you have to have experience in it to have it, and then that's why I'm just not a big fan of people teaching people when they don't. I mean, teaching people's fine, but selling to people when you don't make money from trading. That's what my story was about yesterday. Do you love that Don trades with MT5 on screen? Yeah, it's not even that though. Like, he doesn't need to show his MT5. He's doing that for pure transparency, but he doesn't even need to do that. The fact is that he trades on stream, he shows you every trade, and he takes them, like, you know, it plays out. So what can you say, you know? Good morning, bro. I'm hella ill today, laid in bed, took the day off work, still turning up to the market. Hey, W, man. Get well soon, Yeah, it's that time of the year. Are you from the UK? Because it's that time of the year, man. Everyone's getting ill here, to be honest. Even I've got a sore throat, bro. And it's annoying. But if you are ill, there's no harm in, like, taking the day off the markets as well, you know? Like, don't worry about it. Like, if you feel like you're ill and you feel like you won't be able to, you know, like you're getting that brain fog or you got a headache or something, it's literally calm taking the time off the market. Because the market's going to be here tomorrow. In the UK. Do I still pay tax on my personal account in the UK? Yeah, you will, bro. You will have to pay tax. The moment you withdraw it, you'll have to pay tax. You won't pay tax in the personal account, but the moment you press withdraw and it comes to your bank, if it's over a certain amount, you will end up paying tax. I've not seen Mr. OK recently. You're in GJ buys. Should you close now? Let's have a look. You're in buys. 4 hour broke the previous low. Yeah, I wouldn't be too keen on buys right now, bro, because before we came, look, we're bearish right now. Cool, we're bearish on the left. So, but what happened before we came up? We grabbed liquidity around here. So if your stop loss can survive down here, then maybe. But even by then, the story will be even more bearish. So I don't want to do your own like due diligence. But I personally, I'm just going to tell you what I personally would do. Is I wouldn't be in buys right now on GJ. What if I'm not profitable? Do I still pay taxes? Nah, you will not. You won't pay taxes if you're not profitable, though. They HMRC are on you, but they're not on you like that. Like if they're not, if you're not making money, they'll get you if you're making money. But obviously, you need to go to a financial like advisor and stuff. Even if you Google like accountants in my area and things like that, I'm sure they can have phone calls with them and stuff. For me, yesterday was just another day with a lot of patience. Yeah, that's the days that test you, right? If you can make it out of those days that really, the market really tests you, well, if you can make it out of those days, then, you know, you're chilling. Interesting. Can I get your autograph? What you can do is you can get on Discord, mate. USD JPY sell. What do you think? USD JPY.
What here?
What in the world? Sell. Let me see. I'm gonna just do a speed run. Daily is. Yeah, it closed respecting these zones, so yeah, you could come down, but we got no top wick. That's the issue with the sells. You got the daily's got no top wick, so I can see you coming up to make that top wick before maybe coming back down again. That's the issue with the sells. But if you're just doing a scalp, then it looks like yeah, you are bearish for now to at least hit the bottom of this range. That's just my personal opinion. Good eye, mate.
Good eye, mate. How the devil are ya?
Kangaroo.
What was that accent?
Kangaroo. Kangaroo. You know, that's Yanez, man.
Yeah, but you sounded so weird in that one. You was like kangaroo.
Kangaroo. I'd like to feel my kangaroo, mate. Did all the London boys meet through DVS or personal life? We met through DVS, to be honest.
What are we saying?
Jeez, kangaroo boy.
Here he is.
It's cracker hard.
He's fucking landed, mate. Straight on the strip.
Good on, mate. Yeah, Obidio, we met through DVS, to be honest. I met up with SG though, but yeah, we met through DVS. Do you have rules for trading news? Yeah, so my rule is I don't trade news. And I...
Simple.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. And basically, for example, if news is at 1:30, I would not take a position at like 1 PM. Probably. Unless I know that the volume like I'll probably hit B before then. But if I don't, I'll just stay out even half an hour. And then what I do is after news, because I only trade really the 30-minute candles, then I'm chilling because by that time the news like volumes like, you know, settle down. So news has never been really, it has been before obviously, but now it's not really an issue. It ain't really been an issue, man. Daily is bearish, man. Nice. Be risky to even go be a big news. Yeah, it is, bro. Once I went break even and I still got slipped like 4 pips, 5 pips. No, but what I would do is I would close out. If you're coming out to news and you're in any profit, just don't gamble it, bro. Just close it. Unless you can, if you have the means to put your stops a lot. Like my stops are not that big usually, so I would just need to close it. What broker do you use for live account in the UK? Yeah, so Captain just put the link for that. If you put !mark broker, it's IC Markets I use, so it's a regulated broker. I just use it because I just don't want the stress of like, you know, I just want a regulated broker that my money's mostly safe in, you know. That's what I do. And I use the raw spread account because it's got low slippage and low spreads. I am doing good, mate. Thanks. Oh no. Thanks for the push card. Appreciate you. What do you expect in terms of the direction of FOMC? To be honest, I'm not too big on fundamentals. I just look at the technicals, and then the fundamentals I just wait for the volume of them. The way we trade, right? I can trade if the volume pushes it up. I can trade if the volume pushes it down. It doesn't matter what the news does. I just wait for the volume to come in, check. I won't get involved, and then after, I will just redo my zones, and then boom, back in the chart. Because the way we just need to catch a piece of the move. We don't need to catch the entire move. If you're catching the entire move, then you would have to be more clued up on fundamentals, because obviously, you know, it would affect your move by a lot. But it's not as simple as, oh, interest rate is going to increase, and then, or like inflation is going up and then gold's shooting up. It's like not that simple. Like there's different news articles and different things. I do find it interesting though, so maybe I will do a bit more reading on it, just because, not to even include in my strat, but just to, like, you know, understand. Full margin buy and sell. Yo, Eugene.
Horizon.
What's good, Eugene, man? Jack, how many pull-ups did you do yesterday?
I didn't do any yesterday, mate. I fell off.
You fell off the bar?
No, I was knackered, mate. I must have done about fucking 20 miles walking about all around the countryside. I'd had enough of it by that point. Oh.
I'm trying to see if this is a potential on GJ in 30 minutes. We might get potentials on GJ, chat. Because now that I'm looking at it, is this all Tuesday? Yeah. So that means that will be on range 1. And that can be range 2. And then we can take sells here. So yeah, chat, let's lock it in. If in 30 minutes, 11 minutes, if this candle closes like this, next one makes a top wick, we can put our stops at these candle highs and we can just catch our move down here. Simple, easy, crispy clean. Crispy clean, crispy clean, crispy clean. If we do that, then we do that. Where's the... where's my other account, man? Hurst, would you explain why Yanez didn't... What? Hurst, would you explain why Yanez didn't the last buy setup? Yanez can tell you that.
Would you explain why Yanez didn't buy the last setup? Is that what you mean?
This one, I think.
Why didn't take buys on gold?
Pushed it out, didn't they?
It was because I didn't take buys on gold because the whole idea behind that was I need the price to come down first, tapping into 1986 before the topic was formed, but he didn't quite tap that level. Then you saw that topic form, so that top wick not being there, so that flip of the candle was the advantage point for us to close partials and go break even. So if that's formed before the level that you're looking to get tapped into, there's no trade there. Does that make sense? Hopefully that answered the question. Thanks, man. All goods.
I got the intermission camera. Breaking news.
Oh, blimey, turn it off.
Put you on the big screen, Jack. Don't make me put you on the big screen.
Scaring everyone like that.
Don't
I can't use my camera on Discord anyway, so
Uh,
it just doesn't work.
it doesn't work.
Mate, I've messed about with it plenty of times. And I nearly threw the fucking thing out the window.
Can you explain why price is driving down before breaking all the highs? And can you explain why price is driving down before breaking all the highs and driving down? It doesn't always need to break the highs to drive down, right? You only look for that when you're looking for a position to come down. But it doesn't mean it can't come down without doing that. Because all these wicks technically could have grabbed liquidity, you know? And you're expecting this resistance, and look at the daily. You can look at the daily, you can see that it looks like it's grabbed liquidity. So if this 4 hour closes bearish below here, you would be likely to come down, to be honest, for the day, at least to make this daily bottom wick, because that's what I see happening before any direction in the chart is going to happen. Real direction, you know. But let's lock it in on this for a second. If it pushes too far down, chat, then we're not doing this. We're not doing no funny business. Might get a wick entry potentially, but that's it. Let me see if all the time frames align. 1 hour, that hour, yeah, cool. That is, the only potential is a wick entry here. No. Whoa. Do you think it's a fake move to the downside? On what, bro? On this? Fake out, you mean to come back up, or fake out to come down? Do you use order block or fair value gap in your strategy? I don't use it, but I just use price. But I'm sure there's some trades I've taken that I've technically used it, but I don't class it as using it, you know, because I just trade based on price action. Because once you trade based on price action, you don't need to rely on anything. You don't need to rely on anyone. You don't need to rely on any indicator. You don't need to rely on any news. You don't need to rely on nothing. You just literally see what price. Well, you know what a candle is? A candle is data. Every candle that prints on the screen is data. So looking at the past shows you previous data, and what's the best way to predict the future is to look at previous data, and that's how you do it. And then yeah, fake out to go back to the upside, potentially, but we're looking more bearish because look at the 4 hour. That 4 hour broke the previous low and we're coming down, so I don't see a fake out here. This on gold, maybe it could be, yeah, gold has a potential for that to happen, but on GJ I don't see that being the case. Most British English. You talking about Jack?
You what, mate?
You what, mate?
I wasn't really paying attention. What did you say?
I said you're the greatest trader of all time.
Yeah, but don't let everyone know just yet.
Oh, shall I not tell everyone that you won the trading world championships in 2023?
No, I've done it incognito, so...
my bad. Yeah, don't worry, they don't know, yeah. We'll tell them next year.
Yeah. No, I'm going to tell them 1 month to the day before ICT makes his next comeback. I'm going to beat him to the hype train.
When he makes his comeback to the Saudi League.
Yeah.
Jack does pan for breakfast. Jack's a hedge fund manager. Salute from Morocco to all the DVS members. Hey, salute. I might go to Morocco.
What for? A bit of rally driving?
Just a holiday, man.
Where is it? North Africa?
Yeah. It's like a 4-hour flight. It's not too bad.
You gotta come to Oz.
Bro, I need to, but I need to plan that seriously, because that
Yeah.
I wanna. That's a big journey, and then also I need to do like a stop off in like Bali or something.
Yeah, because if you come all the way here, you may as well see as much as you can.
Exactly. So I would need to do like, I need to go for like a month and do like a week in 2 weeks in Bali, 1 week in Oz, 1 week in Oz.
Yeah.
Do Brits call food scran?
No,
There's levels. If you're level 99 Brit, you probably do.
level 99. I thought that was a lower level.
Jack's probably level 96.
Why? What am I missing out on?
What are you missing out on?
Was what I mean 96% British. What 4% have I not got?
Don't know, to be honest. Actually, maybe 98%. Now that I'm thinking about it.
There we are then.
Nah, but 99 is like Weatherspoons every day. 7 a.m. Weatherspoon, staying there till like.
Fine, at half 10 in the morning.
Yeah, like boom, staying there till like 8 p.m. Football hooligan, that's level 99.
No. You got to go down the bookies at lunchtime with the boys.
Yeah, see, that's level 99 Prestige Master, all camos unlocked Brit. You got the gold camo, they got diamond. Oh, we got 80 likes, chat. Let's see if we can hit 100. All camo, all plat, yeah. Let's get to 100. Yeah, let's get it. Do the underground route boxing in Sydney, bro. I'm gonna get shanked up. Like I feel like if we go to some underground event, it's gonna be like Barky.
You alright?
Kieran said you're a demo trader. Technically, funded accounts are demo. They're simulated live accounts, so they're demo. So that means you're a demo trader, Nav. December is pissing me off. I'm down again on my challenge. Actually recovered it yesterday. Yeah, bro. The market. It's just, December is known to be a slower month, but you shouldn't let it affect you, like making you angry, you know. Like if some, like, just take what it is what it is, you know. Like if some months are slower than others, and that's just that's just how it is, you know, bro. Fund accounts aren't live, right? Yeah, so they say they're live, but they're not. So they used to say they're live, but now they say they're simulated live. So it's basically a demo account that gives you real money withdrawals. So Nav said, bro, this is my 5th week no trade. Yeah, it's the swing traders type. Bro, you should have just took the month off, Nav, man. I heard for like ICT concepts as well, December's like consolidation. If it's making you mad, quit trading. Yeah, or just step back a little bit. Drop a like, bro. What the appreciate you, Goldie. Nav, why being a trader? You make music. Accept it. I have joined in just now. Have we taken any trades? We have not taken any trades, but 1 second actually. Let's look this in. If this drives down to here before we... Yeah, okay. Well, that's invalid. Because I wanted this to be my break-even point. Now we've already tapped it. Well, yeah. That's the market for you. We basically, like we said before this trade, before this candle even closed. We said we wanted this candle to make a top wick first, and then we would have got that on the flip to come down, and then we would have gone break even at this point and then taken profits like here and here. But as you can see, the market is being a little bit cheeky today, so it is what it is, man. Now we're gonna have to move our zone. To here. Now I've said, by the way, I'm doing full margin goal sales on phase 2 5k free challenge. To be fair, it's better to do sales. Oh, it's no bottleneck. Nav's doing a $100 giveaway on my channel, by the way. If he sends the money back to himself, then don't question it.
He's gonna win the giveaway.
He's gonna win the giveaway on his alt account. Show me the money. Show me the money. Why did you not sell? Yeah, I just explained that. Because we needed a top wick for this candle. I'm not just gonna sell it off the rip. That's not my strategy. If that's your strategy, then so be it. You do it. I'm here to show you my strategy, not anyone else's. Chat, is this real? Chat, is Nav real? When do funded companies have no more money to give out payouts? That's when they got no money, bro.
No one's silly enough to buy them anymore.
Yeah, well, that's when, like, that's why it is a possibility. So that's why you like, I don't know why people are going for random accounts. Like random, not accounts, random prop firm challenges, where just like some random companies giving a 50% off. They're not legit. Just go for the top ones, you know. They make bread. Because look, do you know how many people fail funded accounts? Go look at the stats. Nav timed out MM for 10 seconds. Nav top mod.
He was on it.
Nav vs captain. Nav vs captain boxing match. Who's the top mod? I reckon captain I have here, Nav. Oh, that's easy. Alright guys, you wanna know what Nav's you know what Nav's ringtone is in the morning?
I know what you're gonna do. Well, I don't, but my guess is in already.
This is what Nav, his ringtone is in the morning. It's this. When he wakes up.
So it's gonna be The sound's not on, mate.
Oh. Nah, it should have been on.
What?
Jack, sing it.
Oh. Oh, it was. It's because I had it. It's just.
Are you gonna trade CPI? Yeah, no, I don't trade news, bro. What's my ethnicity? I am Persian, Iranian, and Pakistani. Mixed.
I'm gonna hit the gym. I'll catch you boys later.
Alright, peace, bro.
See you, mate.
Tunuk. You're in a challenge from My Funded FX. Yeah, they're good company so far. Play this. Is Elvis Persian too? Nah, bro. I don't. Elvis? Nah. I don't know where. You are the Prince of Persia. Nice to meet you. Persian, you drive a white BMW. Nah, man. To be fair, I was looking at buying a white BMW, but I'm gonna hold it off because I got some scaling to do on the funders first, and then I'll treat myself.
Am I about all that?
Yeah, that's the last resort. It's getting a car like that. You wear Dior Sauvage? Yeah, I actually do. It's just the standard though, isn't it? It's a bit overrated though.
I walked past some bloke the other day, did quality aftershave on it. I nearly went back to ask him what it was.
What, you walk around smelling guys, do you?
Mate, it was well nice. I said this bird walking with him, I said no wonder she's chasing after him so quick. Going around smelling like that.
Was it actually aftershave or was it like that? Oud?
Yeah, no, it was well nice. I don't know what it was. I've never smelled that one.
You should ask him like, oh mate, what you oh.
Sorry there, mate. What's that you got on there? That'll be the spray around your neck. Just I was trying to be quite the geezer like yourself.
Poundland.
Yeah, I think it was actually.
Yeah, Poundland little sprays.
Or it was the range or whatever it is. Big, what is it?
What?
Fucking big. What's the other one on the range?
Packer 1 million at school, bro. I actually did wear that. I wore that when I first started uni. Ricky said, Hurst, did you take Don's trade yesterday? And how do you suggest we deal with those drawdown on the funded accounts? I think you previously informed me you trade with 10 lots. I don't take signals. I don't enter the same trades as anybody else. I do my own trades. So that's why I didn't take that position. Not because, like, it's not a good position. It was a good position from Don's perspective. But my own perspective. I wasn't even on the chart at that point. Like, so... yeah, I didn't enter that position. But what I would say is if you're going to take a position like that, that's maybe you need room for bigger stops because it's a bigger like position, right? Then just lower the risk really low, or just use the lot size calculator where you can just do the thing. What did this guy say? Right, gold sell now. Nice, mate. Nice, mate. What do people get from, like, do you feel happy in yourself when you come into a stream and just spam a signal? Do you feel happy with yourself if it moves 1 pip down in your direction? Did you take the second entry? No, I didn't take any entry. I just took my GJ trade in the morning. That was on my story, and that's it. I called it a day after. Waiting on Ricardo turning up. Oh, bro. Yeah, he wasn't leaving me alone yesterday. My TP is break of previous daily low. All the way down here. Yeah, to be honest.
76.
Yeah, every time. Yeah, even before we came up, we came down in this area to even come back up from the daily. So that's, mate, you're gonna be passing that funded, and people are gonna get £100. He followed you. Bro, he did. He was coming to me through in Don's stream, yeah, Elvis' stream, everywhere. I was like, leave me alone, bro.
What's that?
This guy yesterday. He's like, I reported your account. I was like, you're the one that hated.
Well, for doing what? What did you do? You spoke sense.
Yeah, so but basically some guy came in, yeah, and he was like, you're greedy, pay your mods. And I was like, bruv, it's a 1 hour. Yeah, it's a 1 hour stream. I'm here for free.
Your mods, man. No, I'm with him. I'm
Jack needs a raise, everyone.
Joking, obviously.
Yeah, bruv. He was like, give everyone free signals and this and that. And I was like, mate, honestly. I'm going
to put in an extra hour per day on my timesheet, actually. But not too much taking the piss.
What do you mean? What are you on about?
He said you should pay your mods.
Oh yeah.
I said I'm going to put an extra hour on my timesheet.
Yeah, Jack's in overtime.
he's gonna start, if he's paying the mods, you do realise it's gonna be like traffic wardens where they end up getting a target of how many tickets they've got.
Bro, I don't want to hear it. I'm trading for free. I don't sell anything. I bought Don's Zoom link for $700. And I built that connection, and now he's my mate. So, see how that mod should get paid. Alright, Nav, open up a stream, man. Mod me.
We're gonna get a little cut of Nav's payout.
Yeah, I want 50% cut of every payout you do, Nav. I'll demand salary for being mod. Bro, I'm not making you do my taxes for me, bro. Send me signals, bro. I've given 3 signals on this stream over the last 2 weeks. I'm going to Labour Court. Chat. We had that was the last. I'm pretty sure that is the position, man, that we could have caught, but it just drove down. We were very close to catching it. We needed a top wick though. It's not part of the plan. Let's see. We'll stay on for another like 45 minutes. Yeah, we'll stay on for another 45 minutes, and then we'll see if the next 30 can do anything. This 30 on GJ looks chalked. Gold. If this one comes all the way down and closes below here, maybe. Let me look left quick. Yeah, this is not ideal. W mentor. Yeah, bro. You know what? When you learn how to trade, right? What time frame do you mostly use? Set your range. I basically take it down, right? So I go to 3, then I go to the 30-minute, and I do it on the 30-minute. What was I gonna say? Yeah, when you like become a trader and you've been in the industry for like a couple years, you can easily just see through people. Like I can spot like a scammer so easily. Because you can just see just the way they word things, you know, the way when you ask them a question, how they answer it, the way it doesn't come from experience. You know when someone's talking about something from experience, or you know when someone's just talking to someone just to sell some shit. Yeah, exactly. See, you just know, like from the way the person like even talks, like, right, this guy's just nice, mate. He's full of crap. Inner sell from GJ from 1. Okay, your inner sell. There's one more scam going on. Bear gurus make it out that they make more money on. Bear gurus out there making more money on selling courses than their trades. Yeah, bro, that's just what. I used the 8-minute time frame. Nice. In a sell on GJ from 183092. 183092. Yeah. What was that question? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Oh. Stop throughout B. What do you think about the direction? Yeah, I think you're good. The problem is this daily's got no top wick, so I would take some profit if I was you, especially at these areas, because we have heavy like resistance on the support at the daily zone. So I would take some profit, and then you don't have to worry about it. You know, once you take some profit, you don't have to worry about it. How do you know when price will? You don't actually know when price will, but you can tell kind of when you're more likely to get the move, the quick jolt, and that just comes from if you've grabbed liquidity and if it's just volatile, then and the news has come in and the volumes come in and certain structure has been broken, like the lowest wick of the wicks to the left, then that's usually where you pumps. Now I've said brokers are paying gurus to promote their brokers, and in return they're giving them market accounts. Oh yeah, I heard about that. I've been seeing that on Twitter. There's a guy hungry claims that he predicts the market before news. Yeah,
I do that as well, mate. I just use the crystal ball method.
Oh yeah, the crystal ball method.
Yeah, you give it a rat up in that.
Yeah.
Little. Didn't tell you.
You kiss it as well.
I forgot I went on the camera. I actually done a little action with that as well, but nobody got to see it.
I'm glad.
Unfortunately. Yeah.
I'm glad, mate.
Yeah, probably better off that way.
Talk about your funded account, please. How do you avoid daily floating loss? I avoid it by risking accordingly. My live fundeds, I risk 1%. So it's going to take me 5 L's to blow that daily drawdown limit, which is not happening because I don't... after 1 L, I call it a day anyway. So I've put myself in a position where it's so difficult to blow the accounts now. Unless you obviously get hit the overall limit, which is 10%. Which then again, if it hits that, then it's just a rough period in time. It's not that deep. Huss, is it gold, this strategy, bro? It's not just gold, it's anything. Like gold, GJ, anything. Well, not anything, but most major and minor forex pairs. If you ever start a YouTube video, you're mostly gonna make review videos. Yeah, that'll actually be good, you know. That's a good thing. Not too many people are doing that.
Review of what though?
Like traders and fundeds and things. Imagine.
Yeah. I think now should
exposing Huss.
No, don't do that. Let him get to 2K subscribers first.
Yeah, come on, man. At least expose me on like a Friday or something. Get the weekend to recover.
So hopefully everyone forgets what they get to.
Yeah, when they get to Monday and everyone's back. Hey Huss, I'm a simple guy. Heads to buy or tails for sell. I flipped a coin and it went down the gutter. What do I do now? You do both, bro. You do both now. Go fund 2 accounts. Buy on one, sell on one. I'm pretty sure there's people that buy on one account, sell on one account, close profit on one, and then just post it all over their social media like, "Rise, I am a genius." Do I trade on phone off stream? Nah, I don't trade on my phone. I like to be locked in when I'm trading. I like to have my monitors, have my setup. I trade on the setup. Everything after this setup, I don't even look at the charts. When I'm off this chair, I don't look at the charts. Look what Shamit said. Buy 2 challenge account, 1 buy, 1 sell for sure win. Yeah, but to be fair, that would work, you know. But the thing is, are you gonna pass phase 2? Are you gonna get a payout? That's it. Have I got a setup video yet? No, I don't have it yet. I've set a video yet. I might do a video this weekend on something. What should I do a video on? How I do ranges or something, or structure. I'll do maybe market structure or something. Do you have a job or trading is your full time? So I kind of hop in and out of trading full time. Sometimes I trade full time. Sometimes I get a contract role on the side, you know. And yeah, how's this trader not taking a trade yet, bro? Yeah, give me a signal, man. Give me a signal on your stream, Elvis.
Signal.
If you risk more, then Nova isn't for you. Yeah, bro, you gotta risk low. Low. Because the thing is, when you've got a funded account, you've got it. Like, what is the point where people... what is the point where, like... What was I going to say, man? I just forgot what I was saying, bro. What is the point over risking when you've already got the funded and it's right there? You've passed the challenge. You've literally done the hard work. Now you just keep the account. It's not that hard. It's low risk it. You nearly had a trade last night. Volume died. The day Elvis takes his trade, I'll do £100 giveaway. Risk 0.5%. Yeah, 0.5%. 1% I do. Buy now. Yeah, look, this not really too much going on, man. This, yeah, it might come back up because we're making the bottom wick here, but it's not my strategy. It's not my strategy, man. And the daily's got no bottom wick, so I see us at least making a bottom wick for the daily, which would be cool. And that's it, really. No, we were close to getting a move today, but it is what it is. GJ just decided to push down, and now look, now you're going to be chalked in this range for a little bit, probably. Even this 7 minutes, we'll see what happens in 7 minutes. I doubt it's going to be anything good. What I would need is, it's a lot to ask for. I'd need this to make a top wick, then I need it to close below, and then I need to use this as a stop, so I need the range to be good enough. And then I need the next candle to make a top wick, so that's going to be a bit of a chalk situation there. I'm going to some crazy golf thing in London today.
What? Oh, is it a Canary Wharf?
It might be. I don't know. Listen, I'm the worst person. It's at where is it? Crazy Golf. It's in West London.
Okay. Is there not a name for the place?
Something Crazy Golf. To be honest, I forgot the name.
Crazy Golf. Have you heard of Putt Shack?
Yeah. I have.
Have you ever been there?
Nah, I've never been there.
That's a pretty good laugh because they got all the drinks and that with it. I mean, most of them places, like probably the one you're going to, is the same.
Wait, have I been there? Did they have one in Shoreditch?
They might do, mate. I don't know. I only know about that Lakeside one, but maybe they have.
Oh, Schmeets, that's the one. But the name's a bit sus.
Yeah, I thought he was joking.
Yeah, no, that's actually the one. But the name, like, I don't want to be.
Yeah, Huss, what are you doing later, mate? I'm getting a bit worried.
Yeah, it's Crazy Golf, right? It's golf. It's golf. Golf.
What are you going to be swinging with?
I'm doing the turbulence. Would you consider taking the swing trade with this liquidity grab? What swing trade? Down. I wouldn't be taking a swing trade up if the daily looks like this. And the weekly's bearish and the daily's bearish, and you know, that's why I wouldn't be taking no swing trade up. You got to trade. I think a very key thing of trading swing trades. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't swing trade at the moment, but I'm pretty sure you are supposed to trade with the trend. Most of the time. So, you know, this is trading with the trend. You'd be more likely to get sells, a swing position for sells on gold today, than you was to get a buys. Yeah, sell swing trade. Yeah. It would have been probably up. To be honest, yeah. If it's this 4 hour closed back in below or something, you could do a swing trade. Yeah, I just don't do swing trades yet. I haven't personally forward tested them enough yet to take them, but that is something I'm looking to do on the side. It does look tasty. It does. It looks very tasty, mate. What TYM on Landon News, bro? This is the reason I sold 1-to-1 ratio. Yeah, 1987.75. Where'd you get? Oh yeah, you're chilling, man. Yeah, you're chilling, bro. If this kind of flips, and you probably more got a chance to come and break this low than you do of anything else. So you are chilling on that. Yeah, yeah, I was pretty sure I was right with that. Like when people swing trade or do this concept or that concept, you trade the higher probabilities, of course, going with the structure, with the trend. Like with the trend, the overall trend. Maybe you might get a break of structure on the lower time frame and stuff, but I'm sure on the higher trend, that's where the direction is, because the higher time frames always right. Even Don talked about possible swing trade with this liquidity graph. Yeah, so it's possible, but I want to see what news does, man. If news can push it up to like make a bigger top wick for this weekly candle and daily candle, and then you come back, oh mate, then I might test out a swing. But other than that, I'm not gonna do the swing just yet. Yeah, we spoke about it on the Sunday session, innit? Alright, chat, we're going to see how this 30 closes, and then we're going to talk about what I'm going to be looking for in New York. But I won't be trading too much in New York today because I'm going out somewhere, which will be cool. You have 100 a fund account with 20 lots. With 20 lots, without fixed risk. What is your opinion about this? 20 lots is a lot, bro. The thing is, 20 lots, you will probably survive 30 pips, 35 pips, 40 pips before you hit that daily drawdown limit.
That ain't no good.
So if you're trying to have a 60 pip stop, which is definitely sometimes the case if the range is big enough, you will hit that drawdown limit on 20 lots. So if I was you, I would do 10, 15. Depends how you trade though. If you've got Huss, you got payout from TFT. Yeah, I'm waiting for it because you know when you first pass, because I only recently passed the TFT one, right? So I have to wait like some days, man. I can't click the payout thing yet. It's just in the balance waiting for me. So I just need to click payout when they let me do it. I think I get the payout on 24th of December or something. Waiting for the payouts is a long thing. Yeah, man, that's the long thing, man. Because you got like the 14-day thing and when you first pass it, you have to wait 30 days. 30 days. So I'm just leaving it. Like, you remember when like we spoke about ages ago, you were like, just get your refund and that. So what I did, I just traded on it. I think I got like 1.52%, and then I just waiting for the payout now and the refund on that one. And then I'm doing other ones like FTMO on the side. My FTMO account's doing pretty well, to be fair. And then my funded FX, I need to get that payout as well. I can actually request that one today, I think. Yeah, you wait 21 days for Nova. Yeah, man, you just gotta that's the annoying thing, right? How much tax do you pay when you get a payout? Bro, don't worry about taxes. Just literally just become profitable and make money. It depends how big the payout is, how much you've lost compared to how much profit you've gained. Depends on the tax rules of your country. I'm not a accountant, you know. So you might have to just go to the accountant to know exact numbers and stuff. I don't even know myself. You ever look into spread betting against instead of doing CFDs, zero tax in the UK? Yeah, I heard about that. I haven't done enough research on that yet. What account size you are funded and where? I've got 6 figures in funding. We're split between different prop firms. I've got TFT and I've got my funded FX. And I'm getting FTMO next. And then my goal next year, I'm going ham on this, man. I'm going to go get a mill. I'm going to get a mill funded next year. That's the goal. Unless they all just stop working.
All or nothing.
Yeah, it's all or nothing, man. But why not go for it? Do you pay taxes on the withdrawal or the net profit? It will be the profit. Just need to know when the discounts are. Yeah. They do. I'm sure they do Christmas discounts, and they will definitely do a New Year's discount. I'm pretty sure last year some prop firms did a New Year's discount.
The January sales.
Yeah, they did like a big New Year's.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's, if you want a big discount prop firms, just wait for New Year's. Oh yeah, I was funded by MFF as well. It's annoying, man. Yeah, I was funded by MFF, but I did get a few payouts, so I can't really complain that much. And then they took the account off me. But that one was a smaller one. It was like 20k. That was my first ever funded. Ever.
Is that it?
I've got 400k in phase 1, 600k live. Let's see who hits the mini first. Bro, then you're going to hit it first because you got more in the thing. But yeah, we can see, man. I've got another 200 with FTMO I'm doing, which is almost past phase 1 now. And then I'm going to buy, either Christmas or New Year's, I'll buy another 200. I'm going to buy with, maybe I'll go TFT again. Oh, you're going to start trading next year in Feb? Okay. Yeah, that'll be some healthy competition. Obviously, like, we'll just see what, it'll be funny. Me and Nav are going to be on a TFT podcast. How many did you fail before you became profitable? I blew like 4 funded accounts. I blew 4 funded accounts. It was a rough period, man. It was not fun. Should tell you one thing as well. If you blow a funded account, right, that feeling you feel at the moment you blow it, you know how like you feel angry, you feel this. Do not go and buy another funded account that day. Don't even touch it. Just wait 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and then you buy your next funded account. If that even. If I'd say take 2 weeks off. But my problem is when I blew like 4, you blew 20. Oh yeah. I blew like 4, yeah, and then the thing is, I bought one, and the first 2 I blew. I blew the first one, and then Do you mean 4 challenges or 4 fully funded accounts? No, I've never blown a fully funded one. I've blown challenges. So what I did is I blew the first challenge, and then I got so mad, and then I went and bought another challenge straight away, and then I blew that one as well. So you need to take like a flipping step back the moment you blow anything. I even take after even 1 L on the day. If I did a GJ trade, for example, earlier that we almost got, and if I took a L on that, I would call it a day. I'm done, bro. On that account, I'm not touching nothing on that account. Yeah, you blew almost 30 accounts so far, no joke. Not even small ones like 200, 300k. Yeah, bro, it's all a part of the journey. But just remember, the money that you've lost right now, if you stick with it, one day that's going to be nothing for you, man. You know, there's people... I was watching a podcast, Paladin. You know Paladin, if anyone knows. He's a funded trader, like big payouts and everything, yeah. So he speaks about how... like he fails so many challenges, but that one challenge, that fully funded account that you get, if you know how to trade on it, you can make it all back. Because you just stay consistent on that account, and it's real, like you get real money from it, you know. So boom. Do you trade live as well as funded? Yeah, and I trade live account. So I had a big live account, like fairly big live account, and I had it throughout this year, but then I've took loads of it out right now, and I'm just trading with the smaller amount for the rest of the year, and then next year I'm gonna start deposit again the money back and do the track record. So yeah, I do live account on the side. Paladin is a goat. He changed my whole perspective on prop firms. Yeah, bro. For prop firms, he's legit. He's setty, man. Because you need that mindset, right? So different game. So true. Like Paladin, you know Nav, Jade Cap. Bro, the way he's so patient and he does his funded, for him it's all about capital. He trades exact same, but it's all about capital. And then he makes bread. So yeah, that's the goals. Like, we're gonna get there. You'll see, chat. You're gonna see me on a podcast, 100%. How much capital did you start with your live account? I started with like 100, 200 pounds when I first started. Then I blew it, and then I think I blew it a couple times, and then when I knew kind of what I was doing, I started with 1,000 and I turned it into like 5, 10 or something, and then I just kept withdrawing it and starting again and withdrawing it and starting again. That's what I did. But next year I'm just gonna deposit a chunk and just leave it. I'm gonna leave it for years and just take a little bit of withdrawals here and there instead of taking the whole thing out. How long have you traded? So I've been trading. I traded crypto before I traded Forex, but Forex alone I've been trading for 2 years. But that's every day, like learning something every day. That's not taking no months off, 2 months off, 3 months off. Like every day I was learning something. If I had 1K to use on trading, what would you recommend I do? I would recommend you do, if you don't know how to trade in the beginning, do 1%. Do 1%. Now, if you're going to be on an online one or in person, basically, I'm trying to build up, because I don't want the, remember when we spoke about this? I don't know, like we spoke about this as like, you know the title, like funded trader makes this much. I don't want it to be like funded trader makes like 5K from funded. I want it to be like big. So same as you, right? So I'll probably do the in-person one though. Or maybe if it's easier, maybe do one online and one in person, you know. So that would be cool. Do 1% on personal capital or prop firm. So if you're doing a challenge, you can do 2%. But if you're doing your live, real money, personal capital, do 1% risk in the beginning until you know you're profitable. Then you can start upping it, but you'll know. Track record matters. Yeah, 100%, man. That's why I'm trying to build up these receipts, right? That I've got like a bunch of payout receipts and things, and funded certificates and withdrawals from my personal account and stuff. But I'm trying to build up a big catalog of it because, you know, that's what really builds your credibility. Like that makes you stand out from all these people that are being fake online. That makes it difficult nowadays if you just, you know. That's why I'm trying to stream as well, to show people that I'm like, I know how to answer any question because I actually trade myself. Is gold retesting right now to go short? Gold is more bearish than you are bullish, so you're probably better off taking sells than you are to buys. But what I would do is do not enter nothing. Wait for this 4-hour candle to close. Yeah. Wait for the 4-hour candle. Can you do Euro USD? Okay, I'll do that quickly. Speed run. I'm gonna do just a speed run though. Euro USD, right? So daily is, we'll just look at quickly the weekly. The weekly is bearish, right? So, but we're making a top wick. Daily broke the previous high. We're coming against this resistance though. That's a problem. 4-hour candle pushed up with no bottom wick. So I wouldn't be taking buys on the 4-hour candle because look at that. It's pushing up no bottom wick into this choppy range right there as well. So what I would look for is the buys above the cleanest range, which would be there. Sells below. What did we say for the daily? Sells, the day's bullish. Sells below will be range 2, so sells below will be here or something. Yeah, it's a bit chalk today, to be honest. Let's go on the 30-minute on Euro USD. Yeah, these ranges are not good today. I'll be on. Look at that range on the left. That is disgusting. Yeah, Euro USD, bro. I'll just stay out of that whole zone. To be honest, I know it might be annoying, you want to take a trade, but for me personally, I would not be in that zone. Look at that. That is disgusting. Price action on the left. What did you say? Funded account size you recommend and lots. Bro, that's all personal. I can't recommend a funded account size for anyone. I can't recommend it all depends on your situation. It all depends on how much you want to trade and how much what amount of money is going to make you angry and what amount of money is not going to care about. If I was you, if you're starting off, go for the lowest one. Yeah, now 5k. Yeah, if you're starting off, go for the lowest, smallest funded account, just so it's better than a demo because there's something on the line. You paid the fee, right? And then, you know, you just trade it. That's what it is. But chat, it looks like we're not getting any positions today, unfortunately. That's just what it is. We almost got one. And the analysis was playing out, which is good, but it is what it is. So what I'm going to be looking for is what I would recommend everyone do if you're trading DVS concepts or strategy or anything. I recommend waiting for this 4-hour closure. If this 4-hour closure in 20 minutes closes below this zone, then you can start looking for your sells a bit better, right? And then you can start maybe look for wick entries or your sells below like this zone right here. 1982, and then next one's below here, right? So this is what I'd be looking for, but you need to wait for that 4-hour closure for anything, because the next 4-hour candles are going to have to grab liquidity. If you're looking for buys, again, wait for the 4-hour closure, because if the 4-hour closure is respecting, then you're more likely to get your buys, right? So then you can come down a bit, and then maybe you can catch a little piece of the range, maybe a closure above here like that, right? 185.759. Let's look at maybe a bit higher actually. So like here, 186.885. So then maybe go break even here or to close some profit there. So that's what you would look for on gold. GJ, it's just little GJ is playing around again. 4 hours is going to be very important to see how you close, because you've got this zone here, right? Like look left here, even that you've got even here. This is even better. So will you close below there? Will you close respecting? It's gonna tell you a lot. Either way, look, see how that lines up with the 1 hour. I wouldn't take positions unless maybe below there on the 1 hour. For buys, again, you'd have to be safe, so you'd have to go for range 2, so something like that, where you're breaking the structure. So that's what I'd look like for on GJ, and that's what I look like for gold. Gold is right now, though, I'd still say it's more bearish than bullish for sure, especially because I anticipate this daily bottom wick getting touched at some point. So if you were in positions from up here or around here, then you're more likely to hit here than you are to hit there, right? So that's just what it is. And yeah, Jack, I might catch you at Don's. It depends of what time I go, but
okay, mate. Well, if I do, see you soon. If not, have fun.
Peace, man.
Later.
And that's it, chat. I hope you learned something from either the discipline or like see how like we didn't even care that the GJ drove down. Yeah, we were like, oh yeah, it's been annoying, but we didn't act upon it. We didn't impulse anything. We don't care, you know, we're just patient. We wait for the trades to set up. What do I do after streams, bro? Usually I still trade. I trade New York session. I don't just stop trading after stream. I just stream this stream here just because just before, you know, it gets me in the mood for the session, and sometimes we do catch stuff. So Don will be streaming next after me. New York session. He's on a 45 win streak, so you might be able to catch positions with him, which will be cool. But yeah, for me, I'm just gonna maybe look at the charts for another hour or two, and then I've got something to do later, so I'm going to some golf thing, so it'll be fun. Keep myself busy. So yeah, I appreciate everyone for tuning through today. Well, I can't even speak now. Yeah, I appreciate all of you for tuning through today. Big dubs to everyone. Patience, W discipline. We talked about some good stuff today about like fundeds and different things and how to manage your positions. Yeah, he got out of drawdown, he got a dub. But yeah, peace. W, all you guys are dubs. Everyone with the good discipline today is a W. You had a great day already. You've started your day with a good mindset. So big up you. And yeah, take full accountability for doing good today with your discipline and not gambling, because that's how you make it in this game. So let's play some music, DJ time, and let's go. Yeah. Yeah. WWW, man. Have a good rest of the day. Stay disciplined. Peace.